Welcome to Fusion Industries Limited. Water and air is lifeline in every field, and pipe is the media for transportation. Fusion. Think of quality, think of Fusion. Fusion is one of the leading manufacturer of complete range of plastic pipe and fitting for all domestic industries and agriculture. Fusion stands as the most trusted and reputed brands in piping industries. Fusion is involved in manufacturing almost all kinds of plumbing pipes and fittings. PPR pipes, Fibertherm pipes, CPVC pipes, PVC pipes, UPVC pipes, SWR pipes, agri pipes, SWR pipes, ring fit SWR pipes, and column pipes and fittings. Quality is an integral part of our commitment to world-class product here at Fusion. We practice continual improvement to achieve customer delight by providing customer-centric, timely, and qualitative plumbing solution through the fusion of technology in mind. All pipes and fittings are duly tested as per ISI standard, and we ensure quality products to valued customers. Fusion having enough stocks of pipes and fittings for fast delivery as per the requirement of our customers. All range of products. PPR pipes for portable water, hot and cold. PVC pipes for drainage, sewage and agriculture. SWR pipes for sewage system. CPVC pipes for hot and cold drinking water. UPVC plumbing pipes for cold water. Column pipes for submersible pumps. And all fittings. Our valued clients: Honda, Maruti, JP Group, JCB, Radisson, Pepsi, Gillette, and many more. Certification. Fusion is the registered brand of Fusion Industries Limited since 2004. Our all pipes are ISI certified and having many approvals from government and institutions. Think of quality, think of Fusion. Fusion Industries feels proud to introduce and innovative products Fusion PPRC, FR composite pipes for compressed air. Fusion Fibertherm composite for airline pipes keeps air clean, right up to the point of use. The middle layer fiberglass reinforced within the two layer of PPRC acts as an agent to reduce extension capability and product durability to high pressure at high temperature. Fusion Fibertherm composite pipe having many advantages over aluminum and GI pipe. Advantages: jointing system, Fusion socket welding 100% leak proof, negligible friction loss, 0.1 micro RA value ensures negligible loss. High pressure resistant fiberglass reinforcement composition with polypropylene can withstand high pressure of up to 20 kgf. High temperature due to fiberglass reinforcement in middle layer can withstand high temperature as 100 degrees Celsius. Fusion Fibertherm pipe, the innovative all-rounder which revolutionized the plastic pipe industry, made a name for itself within very short span of time that stands for highest quality and outstanding ecological properties. Fusion Fibertherm is multi-layered with fiber reinforced and UV resistant. That makes it mechanically stabilized through a Fibertherm mix integrated in the middle layer, and outer layer is resistant against UV sun rays and inner layer is PPR food grade material. Application: potable water, hot and cold, cooling and chilled water, HVAC and air conditioning, chemical and acid, hydraulic oil, pressure up to 20 kgf, geothermal application, recycled water. TNA of Fusion Fibertherm. We have a qualified and technical team to serve better products. Now we are showing Fibertherm blue pipe installation process for airline. This is compressor of 100 HP. Now we are connecting Fusion Fibertherm pipe 90 dia with compressor. This is 90 dia pipe. There is one bend with elbow 90 mm. Now we are reducing pipe size from 90 mm to 63 mm. With reducing T90 by 63 mm for making loop 63 mm. This loop is suspended through fixing clamp. This is quick assemble bracket for drop line. Then fixing clamp, then coupler. Now fixing clamp is suspended with threaded rod. This is threaded rod further connected with beam clamp, and finally beam clamp is fixed with angle. It can be fixed with channel and can be fixed with a gudder. We are coming back to 63 mm loop, and for reducing size from 63 to 20 mm by male threaded adapter. Further, this is 20 mm drop line. Now again, male threaded coupler is fixed with 20 mm pipe for jointing ball valve ½ inch, and then pneumatic stud is also fitted with ball valve for connection of PU pipes. Finally, we assemble pneumatic drill and pneumatic instrument with all PU pipes. Now all pneumatic instruments are ready to use. Now we are showing Fusion socket welding 20 mm to 63 mm. Handy spider machine for socket fusion welding 63 mm to 160 mm. Fusion butt welding machine 200 mm to 315 mm. Think of quality. Think of Fusion. Thank you.